Imagine two beings built by human hands. One has a body of metal and muscle. It sprints, flips, and dances with impossible grace. The other has no body at all, only words. It writes poetry, explains the universe, and argues like a philosopher. Their names are Atlas and ChatGPT. They look like the future, but the closer we stare, the more the illusion cracks. This isn't a story about progress. This is a story about a paradox, the distance between what we're promised and what's real. Atlas was born in laboratories and war rooms. A decade of videos turned it into a legend. Parkour across obstacles, somersaults on command, perfect balance under pressure. But the secret is simple. Atlas does not think. It performs. Every jump, every turn, every beautiful routine is the choreography of thousands of hours of simulation, motion planning, and human design. It is breathtaking engineering, yes, but it is not autonomy. It is a dance. The hydraulic body retires, and all-electric Atlas arrives. Stronger, quieter, more agile. And yet the perfection we see still lives inside carefully controlled stages. Not a wandering mind, but a precise instrument. On the other side of the mirror, ChatGPT speaks. No limbs, no joints, only language, the most dangerous tool in human history. It answers with elegance. It argues with confidence. And sometimes it invents, not because it wants to lie, but because it was trained to predict. A fluent guess can sound like truth. Atlas fools the eyes, ChatGPT fools the mind. Two different illusions, one shared effect. They feel intelligent, even when they are not. Across the planet, people are racing to adopt AI. Companies integrate it into strategy meetings and factory floors. Students write with it, coders debug with it, creators brainstorm with it. But feelings are divided. In many countries, anxiety grows alongside adoption. And then there is Indonesia, measured not by headlines, but by people. A nation unusually optimistic about AI. Most say they understand it. Many believe their data will be safe. Even more trust that AI won't discriminate. Optimism can be a superpower. It accelerates learning, encourages experimentation, and opens doors to opportunity. But optimism without scrutiny is also a vulnerability, because trust is easiest to exploit when it is pure. So we're left with a question. Is this confidence a sign of readiness, or the calm before a storm of bias, privacy failures, and manipulation? The paradox deepens. A technology that frightens some of the world inspires others. AI is a machine for productivity. It compresses time, drafts reports in minutes, finds patterns in oceans of data, helps researchers think faster and professionals work smarter. But hidden inside that speed is a cost many never see. Young workers, the ones at the bottom of the ladder, are the most exposed. The tasks they use to learn the first rung on the climb are exactly the tasks AI automates first. Routine coding, summarizing documents, answering standard questions, preparing first drafts. Imagine a career ladder where the lowest steps vanish. The seniors rise higher. AI amplifies the judgment they already possess, while the juniors struggle to even begin. It's not a simple substitution of jobs. It's a distortion of the pipeline that creates experts. We risk a future with dazzling tools, and not enough people who know deeply how to use them. That is the paradox of progress. The technology that empowers the experienced can quietly erase the path to becoming experienced. We love to say AI is being democratized. Open models, public code, tutorials for anyone with a laptop. But look beneath the surface and count the real levers of power. Who owns the vast datasets? Who pays for the supercomputers? Who sets the rules for what a model can or cannot say? The answer, most of the time, is a few giants. We can use their tools, yes, but the power to build the strongest models remains concentrated. Open source gives us access, not ownership. It uncaps creativity and also chaos. The same tools that help a small team innovate can help a bad actor manufacture persuasion, at scale, in seconds. So we face a strange truth. AI looks open from the user's screen and closed from the factory floor. We democratize the effects of AI, not the means of making it. AI does not have morals. It borrows ours. It learns from the words we've written, the images we've captured, the choices we've recorded. Inside that data live our triumphs and our failures, our empathy and our prejudice. So AI reproduces history, not justice. It reflects patterns, not principles. A system can look fair in a lab and quietly reinforce inequality in the wild. It does not hate. It does not love. It optimizes. And if the objective favors confidence over caution, fluency over humility, engagement over truth, then misinformation isn't a glitch. It's a feature of the incentives we designed. AI is not a neutral mirror. It is an amplifier. Turn the dial the right way and it spreads education, access, and health. Turn it the other way and it spreads manipulation, surveillance, and doubt faster than any medium before it. The machine has no conscience, which means ours must work twice as hard. Here we are, standing where the roads intersect. Capability. Spectacle that looks like autonomy. Language that sounds like certainty. Adoption. A world both anxious and enchanted, some with guarded suspicion, others with exuberant trust. Impact. Senior talent ascends with AI at their side, while entry paths quietly disappear. Governance. Tools in many hands, power in very few. This is not an argument against AI. It's a reminder about us, because behind every model are human choices. What to reward, what to restrict, what to measure, what to ignore. Behind every dataset are human stories. Who gets included? Who gets erased? Behind every deployment are human incentives. What makes money now, and what costs us later? AI isn't an alien force invading the world. It's a high-resolution portrait of the world we've already built. Atlas is a perfect body without a soul. ChatGPT is a fluent mind without awareness. And we imperfect, emotional, gloriously unpredictable stand between them. We built machines that imitate our muscles. We built machines that imitate our words. But meaning still belongs to us. AI will not replace humanity. It will accelerate humanity whatever direction we choose. So the question isn't, will AI save us or destroy us? The question is, who are we while we use it? If we chase spectacle, we'll get beautiful illusions. If we chase truth, we'll build tools that deserve our trust. If we forget the latter for the next generation, we'll inherit a power no one truly understands. If we remember that technology is a policy choice, a business choice, a moral choice, then the future won't be written by the machine. It will be written by the people guiding it. AI won't end our story, but our arrogance could. So let's be ambitious and honest, curious and careful. Let's demand systems that explain themselves, companies that earn trust, and cultures that train the next generation with the machine, not beneath it. The paradox remains, but so does the possibility. And between Atlas and ChatGPT, between body and language, between illusion and understanding, that is where we decide what kind of intelligence the future will remember as truly human.